Hi friends, in this video I am discussing boat and stream. Boat and stream, as you know, is an important topic for all the aptitude examination. It is very simple to learn boat and stream if you know the concept of speed, distance and time, or how to find out speed if you are given with the distance and time, how to find out time if you are given with the speed and distance. If you know that one, you can solve the problems related to boat and stream very easily. So in this whole topic we are considering a boat which is sailing in a stream. So the boat will have a speed and the stream current will also have a speed. So let us take the speed of the boat in still water as B and speed of the stream or water current as S. Here the speed of boat means the speed of boat in still water, that is in a water body which has no flow of water, that is the water is still there. So that is speed of the boat in still water, we are taking it as B, and the speed of the stream we are taking as S. So the boat can travel in two directions. Boat can travel along with the direction of the stream, or boat can travel against the direction of the stream. So that is called downstream and upstream. So you can understand the concept of downstream and upstream through these pictures in a better way. So the river always flows downwards, right? So in downstream motion, the river and the boat travels in the same direction. In upstream, the river flows in this direction and the boat goes in the direction opposite to the flow of river. That is, the direction will be opposite. Here the boat travels along with the stream flow, and here the boat travels against the stream flow. What will be the effective speed of boat in downstream and upstream? So in downstream, what we have seen, the boat travels along with the direction of the stream. So the speed or the effective speed of the boat will be the speed of the boat in still water plus the speed of the stream, because they are in the same direction. The effective speed of boat in upstream is B minus S, that is the boat travels against the river current. The boat will be slowed down by the flow of river in the opposite direction. So the effective speed will be B minus S. Let us have this question to understand the concept better. Speed of the boat in still water is 35 km per hour. Speed of river current is 5 km per hour. Find the upstream speed and the downstream speed. So here we are given with the speed of the boat and the speed of the river current, that is 35 km per hour and 5 km per hour respectively. So what will be upstream speed? In upstream, the boat travels against the water current. So the speed will be B minus S, which is equal to 35 minus 5. That is 30 km. Downstream speed will be B plus S, equal to 35 plus 5, 40 km per hour. The next question is to find out the speed of the boat and speed of the stream if you are given with the upstream speed and downstream speed. So the question is, a person can row upstream at 12 km per hour and downstream at 18 km per hour. Then the rate of current is. So we can find both the speed of the boat and the speed of the stream if you are given with the upstream speed and downstream speed. So let us solve this question. We will get the two important formulae from this question. So here the upstream speed is 12 km per hour. So what is upstream speed? Upstream speed is B minus S, which is equal to 12 km per hour. What is downstream speed? B plus S, which is equal to 18 km per hour. So how we can find out the individual, that is how we can find out the speed of boat and stream? Here we are getting two equations with two variables. So we can easily find it out by solving these two equations. By adding these two equations, we will get the speed of boat. So how we can add 1 and 2, B plus B. B plus B is 2B plus s plus minus s is 0, which is equal to RHS 18 plus 12, that is 30. So what will be B? B is equal to 30 by 2, which is equal to 15 km per hour. So how can we find out speed of the stream? 2 minus 1 gives speed of the stream. So subtracting 1 from 2, what we will get? B minus B, which is equal to 0. S minus minus S, what is that? S plus S, that is 2S, equal to 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 is 6. So S will be 6 by 2, which is equal to 3 km per hour. So here this is U and this is D, upstream speed and downstream speed. So what is the formula? What we have done to get the speed of the boat here? We just added the downstream speed and upstream speed and divided it by 2. Look, here 2B is equal to 30. 30 is what? D plus U. So B is equal to D plus U by 2. That is here B is equal to D plus U by 2. And to get the speed of the stream, subtracted 1 from 2. That is 2S is equal to D minus U. That is 6. So S is equal to 6 by 2. That is D minus U by 2. So here the speed of the stream is D minus U by 2. So if you are given with the upstream speed and downstream speed, to get the speed of the boat, we have to just add the upstream speed and downstream speed and then divide it by 2. To get the speed of the stream, we have to subtract upstream from downstream speed and divide it by 2. So it is simple. You have to remember this formula. So the next question is, the downstream speed of the boat is 15 km per hour and the speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. Then the upstream speed of the boat is. So these are all simple questions. I am just taking it for the beginners only to understand the basic concepts. Here we are given with the downstream speed, that is B plus S, which is equal to 15 km, and the speed of the stream is also given, which is 2 km per hour. So from this we can easily find out the speed of the boat. That is, we just have to put this 2 in this equation. B plus 2 is equal to 15. So B will be 15 minus 2, 13 km per hour. So what will be upstream speed? B minus S, that is, here B we got as 13 km, S is already given 2. So the upstream speed will be 11 km per hour. Let's discuss one more simple question. The speed of the boat in still water is 16 km per hour and the rate of the current is 2 km per hour. The distance travelled downstream in 1 hour is. So here we are given with the B and S. So we have to find out the distance travelled downstream in 1 hour. So here downstream speed will be B plus S, which is equal to 16 plus 2, 18 km per hour. So distance is equal to speed into time. So 18, here the units are all same. So kilometer per hour and 1 hour. So we will get 18 into time, 1 hour, which is equal to 18 kilometers. So what will be the distance travelled by the boat downstream in 30 minutes? Is speed into time. Speed is equal to 18 into time. 30 minutes is half hour. So 9 kilometers. A man rows upstream 30 km and downstream 28 km, taking 5 hours each time. The velocity of the current is. So we have to find the speed of the stream, that is S. We are given with the upstream distance and downstream distance. Time he has taken for upstream and downstream travel. Here we know that time is equal to distance by speed. So first we will take the downstream case. Here to travel 28 km downstream, he has taken 5 hours. So 5 hours is equal to distance by speed. 28 km by downstream speed, that is B plus S. So 5 is equal to 28 by B plus S. By solving this, 5 into B plus S is equal to 28 we will get. So in case of upstream, he took 5 hours to travel 13 kilometer upstream. So 5 is equal to 13 minus 13 divided by b minus s, that is the upstream speed. So by solving this, by rearranging, we will get 5 into b minus s as 13. So we will get two equations having two variables. We will solve this equation and find the velocity of the current, and also we can find out the speed of the boat in still water. Subtracting 1 from 2, what we will get? 5b minus 5b is 0. 5s minus 5s is 5s plus 5s. So it will be 10s, which is equal to 28 minus 13, 15. So s is equal to 1.5 kilometer per. So that will be the velocity of the current. How can we find out the velocity of the or speed of the boat? Adding 1 and 2, we will get 10b. Adding 1 and 2, we will get 10b as 28 plus 13, that is 41. So b is equal to 41 by 10, that is 4.1 kilometer per hour. The sub question is here: how long it will take to go 5 kilometer in still water? We got the speed of the boat in still water as 4.1 kilometer per hour. Time is equal to distance by speed, 5 kilometer by 4.1, which will be approximately equal to 1.2. So which will be approximately equal to 1.2 hours. In this video, just try to make you understood the basic concept of boat and stream. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.